a few other questions to go over here before we take that quiz then.
Yeah. Maybe we should like just stay on for another hour so our teacher knows that we
Hey, yeah. There you
did an
go.
hour long.
Perfect. We'll just drown the teacher out with small talk.
Yep, that's right. Okay, so yeah, the last two questions then.
Yeah. So now we have a sample size.
Okay. So now we can use that bigger formula, right?
Yep. Now we divide the standard deviation by that, 15. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, 31, the mean and standard deviation, that is just the same as given in the problem, right? 542.3 and 120.54.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. I can see myself definitely overthinking these things.
Like in a test setting.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, me too.
I'm guessing 32 is, yep, now we have to calculate using the formula and then plug it all into the applet.
Yep.
Greater than 600. Okay, I may have done something wrong here.
What answer did you get?
For the z-score, I got 7.18, which made it practically 0 on the applet.
Okay. Nice.
Let me make sure I've got the whole equation set up first. So I have 600 minus 542.3 divided by 120.54, which that's divided by 15. Does that sound right?
Yep, divided by the square root of 15, right?
Oh, the square root of 15. That is where I went wrong.
Right.
Okay, that makes me feel much better. 1.85 that I got for the z-score.
Okay, almost there. Now I'm using a different calculator and I'm having troubles with it, so I'm going back to my other one.
You're fine. Okay, this looks much better than practically 0.
Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm so slow. Okay.
I'm in no rush.
Okay. All right. Did you get 1.854?
Yeah, for the z-score. Mm-hmm.
All right, so 0.0319.
I think I've gotten pretty much the same answer. I just forgot to put in a 4. Yes, 0.0319.
Okay. So 0.032 or something.
Yeah, pretty much. I accidentally just left it as 0.185 and I got 0.0322, which is pretty much the same answer.
Yeah, it is. Okay.
All right.
Okay, so just 29 and 30 here. What should we do on those? Do you think should we keep trying to figure them out before we jump into the quiz? Or
I don't know if it's my lazy side or what, but I just don't even know what to do for them.
yeah, neither. We could open the quiz and like see if they're even in there.
True, that's a good point. Might as well, at least.
We do have unlimited time.
Okay. Lesson 8 group meeting quiz. Open that right on up. Okay, there's 31 questions on the quiz, meaning 1 is left out.
Hopefully it's one of those ones. Let's see.
Actually, so question 31 in the preparation was, what's the mean and the standard deviation?
Mm-hmm.
This takes up 2 questions in this quiz, so that's at least 2 questions that are gone.
That's good.
Oh, but they have the quartile ones right before it. What a shame.
That's terrible. All right, so I'm still opening up my quiz here. I'm all over the place here.
Okay, you're fine.
I didn't turn on the video. I wasn't prepared. Taking forever. There we go. Okay, are you ready for number 2?
Yes, I am. So, for this one I put B and C. What about you?
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. Number 3, what was that?
C kind of confused me a little bit because, like, I don't know. I was kind of going back and forth on that one for a little while, but
Yeah, I think the reason I went with that one as categorical is because it describes a particular thing and not necessarily a calculated number.
yeah, that makes sense. Okay.
Now 3, I don't remember talking about. I guess I may have skimmed that. That was probably in the beginning of the semester when I was still learning how to study for this class.
Yeah.
So
You're good. That's just 1 second. I'm trying to remember what I did. So the mean IQ test score in the United States is 100. I think the parameter is like the population mean, and then the sample statistic. So like 100 would be the parameter and 112 would be the statistic.
okay, I can see what you're saying there.
Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does. That's one thing I need to go back over as well. All right, and these next few ones dealing with the sampling types, I question myself on them. We'll see if we got the same. So, what is this, number 4, talking about Rotham City.
Mm-hmm.
I put cluster sampling. This isn't my strongest topic with this class, so if you have something else, it's definitely up for.
Yeah, I did put cluster sampling as well. My next choice was systematic sampling.
Mm-hmm.
Cluster sampling.
Okay, I think that's probably the right one then. I did go back and look at it. And now 4th grade. I think I put stratified for number 5.
For number 5, I put stratified.
Okay. Six.
So we're doing good so far.
Yeah, I think so.
Must go walk around.
Yeah. Is this the lottery or the drawing one? Yeah. What did you put for this one?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I thought as well.
Okay.
Because you're not really separating anyone into groups or anything like that. And now this was another one I had trouble with. I feel like stratified and cluster, somewhat systematic, I have the hardest time understanding, which is sad because that's 3 out of the 4. But I put stratified for this one.
Wait, that's what I put too.
Okay. Perfect.
I mean, if we both put it, there's a good chance.
Yeah. And did you do these next 2 questions? These were 2 that I didn't get to do since I didn't have SPSS.
Yeah, I did do them.
Okay.
So, what was the question here? So,
Oh, I guess I have to create a histogram.
So, just the mean was 4.771.
Okay.
Sorry, I know my computer's annoying when I hit the mouse.
It doesn't even bother me at all.
Okay. Good. All right, so the standard deviation was 1.912.
Okay. I have to quickly make a histogram so I can answer this one honestly. Actually, it's taking a while to load. I'll just come back to that one. Make a note for me.
Yeah, you're good. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so for 11, let me see if it came up. I think it's trying to work, my SPSS.
Okay. Good. For 11, I got negative 0.165.
Yeah.
What you got?
Yeah, well, I rounded it to 0.17, but this says 3 decimal places, so that's what we would go with, negative 0.165. Yeah, I did get the same thing. Alrighty, let me try to open up that SPSS again. Number 12, I got, how many decimal places? 3? 0.689.
Okay. For 12, you got negative 0.689.
Positive 0.689.
Okay, I must have done something wrong because I got a negative 0.681.
Okay. So it's going to be a positive for sure because this is a squared value. And a negative times a negative would be a positive. Positive square would be a positive as well. But let me, I mean, I could have typed something in wrong to get the whole value wrong.
You're good. I didn't even remember that.
So 30, I have to figure out the mean again here. It doesn't tell us the mean, does it?
No.
Okay. 7.9 plus 37.25 plus 38.98 plus 38.16 divided by 4. 38.075. So 37.25 minus 38.075 minus 8.25 squared. Okay, now I'm getting 0.681.
Okay.
That's what you had, right?
That is what I got. So
nice. I think I probably just typed in something wrong.
Okay. Should we throw that in there then? Does that sound good?
Yep, 0.681 sounds good to me. My SPSS is just giving me some problems here.
Okay, for 13, I was a little out the answer on that one.
I was as well. My first answer was C. My backup answer was D.
Okay. Yeah, I had the exact same reaction. I Googled variance though, and I think, I don't know. Don't you have to like square it and then divide it by the number of variables that are there to get the variance?
Oh yeah,
So
you're
like
right.
you score numbers.
I didn't even look at
divide
the
it by.
notes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
Mhm.
The variance is divided by one less than the sample size. So I guess it would be none of the above then, right?
I guess.
Okay.
I mean, we could, if that one's wrong, we can try variance, I guess.
Yeah, good point. All right, so I've got my SPSS pulled up here.
Okay, I'll take your time on that.
So I go to graphs, I think, chart builder.
To build a histogram,
Okay, maybe I'm doing that wrong.
just go into explore, or what is it again? It's like
Analyze?
explore, or
Oh, okay.
analyze descriptive statistics.
Uh-huh. Okay.
And then you just click on graphs or plots
Plots.
and check histogram on there.
Okay, continue.
And then, yeah, make sure you have selected the amounts column.
That was my problem. Descriptive statistics, explore, plots, histograms, continue, amount. Okay. Oh, okay, there it is. Took a second to load.
Okay.
Let me share my screen, make sure I've got the right thing pulled up here. Oops, that's not what I meant to do. Okay. So let me Is that? I mean, that's pretty sure. Is that what we
Yeah,
were going for?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, perfect. Then I can answer truthfully now. How do I stop the screen share? There we go.
Awesome.
Let me enter that in really quickly. True. Okay, so 14, what is the standard deviation of these temperatures? Okay.
I got 0.172 in that one. Don't
Trying
know
to
if that's
figure out
correct.
what question. 0.172. I got 0.715, but I think that I need to do it again.
Yeah, I
Perhaps.
might need to too.
Oh man, this one requires a lot of work too. Okay.
To look at all the standard deviation
Yeah.
stuff. Yeah.
7.91
Okay.
minus 38.075 squared.
Would it be fair game to, like on the test, for example, since we can use SPSS, to Zing to SPSS and just read the standard deviation there off of a box plot?
I don't see why not. If we're allowed to use SPSS or Excel.
Okay.
It seems, I mean, it doesn't seem like it's going against anything.
Yeah. That's definitely an easier way.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, I'm almost there. So I'm getting the same answer as I did before, 0.715.
Okay, well, you probably did it right. I'm trying to figure out how I got my answer.
Oops.
I don't think I did it right.
Are you taking it? Oh, you're still. Are you taking
We just had to finish a few questions that we both didn't do for the preparation.
Um,
I get it.
Okay. Maybe up a little later when you want it. Maybe up a little later, probably when you want it. You'll be up late.
Well, that's always that always happens when math takes me 3 hours.
Yeah.
So I gotta do nutrition and sociology.
Okay. Nie забудь свой мобильник. Hmm?
Oh, you want me to take that?
No. Да. А потому что если я хочу, если мне скучно, я хочу тебе позвонить, могу послать смс-ку, позвонить. Да, наверное. Oh, hey, I guess I could test out these values in Excel right here.
Awesome. There
Just
you
to
go.
double
That's
check our work.
a good idea.
Yes.
I'm just going through and I've just been filling in some of the other answers.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, no, it's okay.
I thought, okay.
For 15, that's false, right?
Yeah, that's what I have, yeah.
Okay. In 16, did you have extra dural?
I did, wasn't exactly sure why, or if that's the real answer, but that's what I put. That's what seemed to make the most sense to me.
Yeah. The standard deviation is the smallest, but the sample size is the smallest.
Small. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's,
I mean,
so in Excel, the standard deviation said 0.715 as well.
okay, you were right. No. Okay. Would it be okay with you if I just put that in there and I'll try and figure it out?
Yeah, that's fine with me.
I'll work on it later.
I'm not too worried about that at all.
Okay.
So we've got false, extra dural. For 17, did you put, what? Did I not do 17? What's the third quartile?
What is that one?
Why did I not answer that one? I mean, I'm pretty sure it's 6.
The third quartile.
Yeah. Oh, wait, excuse me. Sorry, 8. That looked like a 6 to me for a second.
Yeah, I think you're right.
Okay. I don't know why I skipped that one.
Well, I don't see it either. Wait, I don't know if I did it either.
That's strange. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's 8.
Yeah.
And then what percentage lies between 4 and 8 hours? Oh, now I see where I did it. Okay, so 17 in the preparation was not 17 in the quiz. Alrighty. Now this was 50%. I think this is what we talked about for question 19.
Yeah, you're right. Awesome. So 0.50.
Actually, we would put, in this case, 50.
Just 5. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Without the
I think
percent
seconds.
sign. Okay. The 19, was that when we did 2.055?
Yep.
Okay. Oh no. Oh, well, I was just looking at the next question, and it says 3 decimal places, and I only recorded 2 decimal places for my answer.
Oh, sorry. For 21.
Yeah, for 20.
Oh yeah.
Well, 20 in the quiz, 21 on the preparation.
Yeah. Well, at least we'll get more practice.
Yeah, you're right.
I need to work on this. I need to study it.
Oh, okay. I found my work for this. Maybe I should double check that actually.
Okay.
166. Those two. Oops. Okay, now I figured it out. I don't know if you want to keep on doing it or since we've already done it.
Maybe I'll just get the answer and then I can work on them later.
Yeah. So it's going to be 0.658 instead of 0.66. Там можно носить пиджамы. Хорошо. А на работе нельзя. Okay, so.
For a second, I thought you were sarcastic. You're like, да, можешь носить мой пиджак?
Yeah. Alrighty, so for this one, looks like we were just a couple decimal points off, but I'm going to guess that it's A for number 21.
That sounds good.
Okay. We have
Yeah, we were close.
yeah. Okay. Was this one 0.50? Is that what we had agreed upon?
Yeah, I think that's what we were thinking.
Yeah, when the z score equal to 0. Okay. And then we had, what was the next one? Gotta find it.
Low 600. So on this one, we put 0.0319. No, that's above.
Is this one the 0.684?
Probably. I can't find it for some reason.
Guess I could open up my review. See, question.
Yeah, it's 0.684. You're right.
Okay, perfect. It didn't say how many decimal places we were supposed to use, did it?
No. So maybe we should just shoot for 3.
Okay, that sounds good to me. Bon appétit. And then the next one is 0.316.
Yep. Sorry.
Awesome. Okay. Now we've got 10th and the 90th percentiles.
So 696.8.
Yes, I believe that you are correct. Oh, we're rounding to the nearest whole number for this one. So 697. And then the next one was 388, I believe. Awesome. And then those quartile ones right there.
Yeah.
Whew. I'm just going to go ahead and put in the other answers really quickly. And the mean of the distribution, I believe that was 542.3. Does that sound right?
Yep, 542.3.
Perfect. And the standard deviation. What was the standard deviation again?
8.54.
then the last question, point 032. Do you believe?
Okay. A long one.
Yeah. So what do you want to do about 27, 28?
I don't know. We could. This is the lazy side of me, but we could submit it as is, and since it's a bigger quiz this time, so we wouldn't be penalized very much.
Right. I'm totally fine with that, actually.
Okay.
I can go ahead and submit mine, and let me just make sure I answer all my questions. Okay. Yep, I'll go ahead and submit that mine. Oh boy. Okay. We got a 69.9%. 21.67 out of 31 questions correct.
I wonder which ones we missed.
Okay, so what? Really? So number 2 we missed. Strangely. We got half, or we got 0.67 points out of 1 for that. Number 4. No, let me put a mark beside these.
Okay, so number 4 we got wrong as well.
Yes.
So I think 4 would have to be a systematic then, but.
And then number 5.
Man.
Yeah, right?
We were both off. Better gotten 6 right.
We did get 6 right. And 7. 20.
Okay.
21. Which one are those? And yikes. Okay. 25.
Okay.
26.
We did not do good.
I know, I'm surprised. And then obviously the quartile questions. Oh, and 30. Wait.
Really?
No, I was just... Yeah, we did get 30 wrong. 120.54, right?
Yeah, that's what I put too.
Maybe we should have put a 0 afterwards because it says 3 decimal places.
Maybe.
Oh, you remember how we were having problems with the standard deviation ones on the last assignment?
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe it's the same thing. I was going through the homework. Of last week. It was the same thing. I just don't know, I guess, how to get that standard deviation.
I don't either. We need to work on
Okay. Well, let me open this quiz back up here.
Yeah, no. I'll give you the ones that you have right.
All right. Probably remember some of them. Okay, so number 2, definitely B is a categorical.
C might not be because it's
Yeah,
like dates.
I guess. Could be. So that's probably the case. It's just B. 3 was 100 parameter 112 statistic.
That's I think it was.
Okay, perfect. And number 4, we
got that one wrong.
put cluster, and you're thinking it's systematic.
I'm thinking out. Let me see what I put in my homework down because I made a note of which ones I thought it was as well.
Yeah.
Second choice was systematic, but
Okay. Sounds good. Number 5 we got wrong as well. We put stratified.
we put stratified.
Is there a chance it could be cluster?
Yeah, it could be.
Okay.
So typically choose a particular district and randomly select teachers or so forth. Yeah, it could definitely be clustered.
All right. And then number 6 was SRS.
Yeah.
And stratified again.
Yep.
Okay. And what was number 8?
4.771.
Number 9.
1.912.
This was true. And number 11.
Negative 0.165.
And 12.
0.681.
And this one was none of the above. We got that one right, I guess.
Yeah. Good.
Number 14.
5.
Your standard false. Extradural is 17.8.
8.
Perfect. And then 50%, or I guess 50.
Yeah.
And what is 19?
2.055.
I guess we got that right. Did we get the next one right?
20, I don't believe so. You said
no,
you
we
put
did
them up.
not.
Okay.
And that's the standard deviation one, which I still have no idea how to do.
I know. I wish I was better at them.
Yeah. I just can't remember a different formula, the ones other than the one we used.
Yeah. I don't know.
Might just sacrifice that one.
Yeah.
What was it, 6.58? I mean, 0.658 or something like that?
For 20?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just erased it, but I think that is right. Let me check
Okay.
one. What question was that again?
20.
0.658, yeah.
Okay. So 21 we got wrong as well. We put A.
Yeah.
That's not it, because we got the standard deviation wrong.
Yeah.
It's not B, because that one's the mean, the first number.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty much just a guess between C and D.
Yeah. I mean, E is closer to what we got.
Yeah, it is.
But
I guess we could see if they're evenly equidistant from the mean.
yeah.
If that will tell us anything. Okay. 465.
I was worried that our video was going to be like 5 minutes long. For now, I'm not too worried. So.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
Okay, so I've done this twice just to make sure. The last answer, D, almost the same except for the first value it's 0.232 away from the mean. And the second one is 0.233 away from the mean. I tried that, I checked it twice, but C is equal. So I guess we can guess C.
Yeah, that sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah. And 22, was that 0?
We put 0.50.
Oh, that's right, 0.50. I was looking at something else.
Did we get that one right, actually?
Yes, we did. I think we got, oh wait. Did I not mark the rest? We got that wrong, that wrong. I think we got 22, 23, and 24 right, but 25 and 26 wrong.
Okay, so percentiles.
What was the for 23 again?
Oh yeah, sorry about that. So 23.684.
And then 24.
0.316.
And then we got these wrong. Which is confusing.
Yeah. Let me try that one more time. You should just be plugging in the 0.10 for the percentile, right? And then that gives you the z-square.
1.282, correct?
Yep, 1.282. And then just solving for x.
That's what I would have figured. 282 times 120.5 plus 542.3. Did we get 697 for the first one? Yeah.
I think so.
Gosh golly.
I have so many tabs open right now. I lost. There we go. Yeah, 697. That's what we got.
Gosh, that's what I got again.
And that's after rounding, right? Nearest one number two. So.
Yeah, we didn't round until the end.
What? You on that?
I don't know either. Gosh, I feel like these next few ones, I just have no clue how to do.
I thought 25 and 26, I thought we had down.
Yeah, I thought we had that, but now I don't know what to do. And then 27 and 28, no idea.
Yeah. Yeah, I hear you. Did we get 29 correct?
Yes. And then we got 30 wrong. But 31 correct. So what was 29?
542.3.
Oh yeah, that's right. That was just the easy one. Standard deviation, I don't know that. And then
120.5. Yeah. Oh yeah, but yeah, it's wrong.
was the last one 0.032?
0.032.
Okay. Yeah.
All right, so let's do these puppies. Percentiles. Yeah, I mean, in our notes, I'm reading about percentiles,
Uh-huh.
and I mean, it looks like we did everything correct so far. To find the percentile, right here it has an example for like the 90th percentile,
Mm-hmm.
and so they typed in 0.90 in the area,
Okay.
and then shaded the two boxes to the left.
0.90. To the left?
Yeah, to the left.
Okay. When we typed it in, it shaded to the right and we kept it.
Okay, so
that does not change the z-score. Why does that not change the z-score? Maybe we had the right answers. It's just that since we did not switch the shading, and remember one was negative, so it was different than the other. Maybe the two answers just flip.
maybe we put wrong answers in the. That would make sense. Because honestly, yeah, I don't see anything we've done wrong here.
Right.
So maybe all.
Okay, I guess that sounds good. That was for 25 and 26, right?
Yeah. So one would So one would be 25 would be 388,
Mm-hmm.
and then 26 would be 697.
Okay, that's good. There's the quartile ones and that last standard deviation, which we don't know how to do.
Okay, so turning it in right now,
Okay.
potentially, how many how many would we be missing?
1, 2, 3. I think 4 are left blank.
Okay.
I think. Maybe it's just 3. Oh wait, no, it is 4. And we just put the old standard deviation into the first one. Or I did, at least. I don't know why I did that, but.
Okay. All right, well, what do you think? Do you think we should keep trying, or are you happy with?
Well, I guess it's your grade, but I'm happy with submitting what I have.
Okay. I mean, yeah, I'll try it. We've been going at this for like a while. I don't want to keep you up all night.
Almost 2 hours. Oh, well, I'm good, but my brain's kind of checked out, I guess.
Yeah, I hear you. Okay, so all right, we got like an 81% on that one.
Okay, do we miss 4?
So we still missed question 4.
Still miss question 4. Which one is that?
So
Oh, really? And you put systematic?
I put systematic, so it's got to be stratified.
Yeah, it's got to be. There's no way it's SRS.
Okay.
Okay.
And then we missed 21. Hey, this is like we missed 20 and 21.
20. Okay, 21. So 20 is the one that we just put the old answer in, and 21, I guess it's going to be the last one, D.
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
Hey, we did better than I thought we did. So, and 28, wrong, and then 30.
Okay, perfect.
Could I open mine back up really fast and then just
Yeah, that's no problem at all. I still have mine here.
Okay, and then because 2 of those we could potentially get right.
Yeah, exactly. I feel pretty confident that we'll get those 2 right.
Yeah. It's not too bad.
No. Although I was expecting a lot better the first try. Man, this one threw me for a loop.
I know. Got like what, like a 60 or something?
Yeah. We've been getting like hundreds or 90 somethings on the other quizzes.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so 2 was just B then. Right?
Yes.
Okay. 3 was A and B.
Yep.
4. Did we put systematic on that one?
Last time. So this time D.
Sure, okay. I'm gonna revisit those ones before I take the test.
Wait. Oh yeah. Yeah, me too, for sure. And then number 5 was D as well.
Okay. 6.
A.
A. 7.
Stratified, which is D. But there's 5 responses for this one, so it's not the last one. Okay.
8.
4.771.
771.
Yes.
4.771.
Correct.
Okay. I put a 6 in there for some reason.
Oh.
Okay, 9.
1.912.
Um, 11.
Minus 0.165.
12.
0.681.
13.
None of these. 0.715.
15's false, right?
Yep.
Extradural.
Correct.
$17.
8.
$18.
50.
$19.
2.055.
$20.
0.658.
And then D on this one, I guess.
Yep. Hopefully.
I guess we'll see. 22.
0.50.
Yeah. 23.
0.684.
24.
0.316.
25.
388.
26.
697.
27.
Blank.
And 28. as well.
Yeah, 28 was blank as well. 542.3.
30.
Blank.
And then 31.
0.032. Alrighty, let me go ahead and submit mine, see if we got those extra questions correct. Okay, so the score is 87.1. Let me just make sure that we got all the ones correct that we wanted to. So we missed 20, which was one that we expected. 27, 28, and 30. Yep. So we got all the ones right that we wanted, or well, we knew about.
Yeah, that we could get right
Exactly.
with our limited knowledge on standard deviation right now.
Yeah. For an 87.1%.
Pretty good.
I'll take it.
Me too. I'll go ahead and post the video if that's all right.
Yeah, that's fine with me. All right. Well, hey,
Alright.
good luck on the test.
Thanks. You too.
Appreciate it. Have a great couple days.
You too. We'll see you later,
Yeah.
Thomas. Bye.